Hi everybody. Today I have a new toy and it came yesterday, so I thought I could do a video of it. And here it is. And it didn't come with the man, but I just put it on top. But yeah, let's get this. It's a roller. It has all kind of things. Roller or steamroller or roller. But let's open it. It doesn't have a twisty tie, so there. That's let me put this with the boxes. And yeah, we got. And this is all of my boxes. That one is not Bruder, but I still like it. Okay.
Is that gonna hold?
No.
Here. There you go.
Okay, everybody. Okay, guys. Now, before we put the man on this roller, let's see what it does. So,
okay.
On the way home, we saw a bunch of rollers, and some had 2 jumps, some didn't. And this is my favorite Bruder roller, and we know that the drums roll, but look, this one doesn't really have back tires, and it has a black seat, and I thought this part was yellow and this part was black, and steering wheel turns. Oh, and look, the steering wheel says cat.
Oh, nice. It has one of those little.
And now we know what. And it does this, so it can turn. And now, guys, the man.
Oh,
this is my new man. I got it. Papa gave me it at the wedding because he needed to give me it because I ordered it at.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, I think you should just say that me and Mom Papa got you a new Bruder man. And look at that.
And yeah, I really like this. And I really thought I wanted this. And my other prize, and this came with another prize, but it's not there yet, so we will just wait. And one day I will show you a video of that. I will do this one and the toy that came with this, because this could come with a man and the Porta John guy and yeah.
So wait, what do you mean? What do you mean a Porta John?
I don't have a toy one, but
the Porta John man.
Yeah. Here, I'll get one of my catalogs. Yeah, you guys could look at this.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
Okay, guys. Now I am back, and I will show you what came with this toy. That's it. I got that comes with that, and
Wait, so this is a Porta John back there.
Yeah, and I'll show you what could come with too. It could even come by itself, and it could even come with this man.
Oh.
And yeah, I really like this toy. And there is another toy. It has a blade and it's spiky. And I just love it.
Well, nice. Well, do you want to show anything else on this one, or do you want to call it wraps here?
I want my rollers. I can't find what I do. Still have it, and I can show you what my new man does.
Oh yeah, what's he do?
I have tons of these hats.
Oh, nice.
Tons of great hats. The hat comes off. And that does with the elbow. Legs move.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh.
Well, how about you and our new Bruder man wave goodbye and say bye, everybody?
Bye, kids. Don't forget to subscribe. You can watch my videos anytime you want.